SJCAM. It's already unboxed here, but I'm going to preview my 3-month SJCAM experience. I bought it in Flipkart. It's having 30-minute water resistant, 2 screen and gyroscope stabilization and 4K recording with 24 FPS. These are the description of that box, like what are the technical things and specification that cam having. These are the mounts they give with cam. Let's open the box. We'll get one wiping tissue. This is a holder for camera for tripod purpose. These are user manual. These are the mounts, like for different purposes, for bike ride or for recording in water or cycle ride. Different mounts. Data cable mounts. These are mounts. Extension, lens cap mounts, handlebar mount. This is one extra curve for the cam display. These are the mounts. This is its casing. This casing is very pretty clear, like we can clearly see the display in here. No, it's scratch resistance also. Let's see the camera. This is the SJCAM. It's also having Wi-Fi connection, like you can stream lively. Like you can't record it in your device, you can stream lively. Like while recording, you can see that recording through Wi-Fi in your mobile. This is USB port, SD card port, tripod holder, lens, front screen. It usually show the timings or what are the option you are in. These are the LED indicators for battery and recording. This is power button, setting button, record on off button. Let's see its battery. This is battery case. This is its battery. You can see these are the cautions for battery. It's come with 3.8 volt with 1000 milliamps, 3.8 watt-hour rating. While plugging in, see the direction, like they will give some direction or port slots. Push it gently, lock it, power on. Clarity is pretty good. You can see the clarity is pretty good. You can see the indication that cam is on. You can see this indication also. If you kick this button, like while recording, you will get indication here, like it's recording, that you can see easily from helmet. Or if you press it again, let it stop recording. It's fully very good touch capability, like the touch is like the lag is less. That if you compare with the cam is very good. and the function and the option they are having is pretty much in a sense too much. That if you for video recording you will get these are the types of recording like video time, video labs, slow recording, still, photo labs, burst mode, video and photo. Like video and photo, there is a plus point in this camera. Like while you are recording in other cams for 10,000 range, you can't click the photo. Like you are having a moment that you can thumbnail it or something. That time you have to stop video recording and put it in photo mode that you have to click. But in this, if you put this for mode, while recording also you can click the photo. These are the samples I recorded while last time. And in this car mode is there, like the stabilization is too good, and you also get underwater. That contrast level will be adjusted automatically. And if you can change the resolution or loop recording or whatever on basis of your requirement. And you can turn on low light mode, like while recording in night ride or city ride in evening time, you can turn on it. In WDR gyroscope also you can turn it on or off, or you can adjust the sensitivity. Like it will enhance your video recording. Like stabilization will be more. You can off and on audio, volume, timestamp, video file format. Like you can change the format whatever you want, bitrate, sharpness, white balance, color, metering. If you come to setting, like you will get language and date and time, format, like what is the format you want to record, like before or HD or 4K, 2K. Gimbal control, if you are connecting this for gimbal, you can control the stabilization, like movement or something. FPV, TV mode, fast record, quick capture, front display view. Basically you can say it's not used, but it simply eats a battery. But while recording front face, like what time you'll get, what are the timings you have recorded, or what is the space, what is the battery charge left, you'll get. You can turn it off or on your requirement. Auto power off, like after some time you have to turn it off, or if you forgot to turn it off. Keypad tone, light set, screensaver, frequency, rotation. This usually I made it off. You can turn it on if you record it in anti-clockwise. Like if you record it like this, that video will automatically turn whatever its landscape mode while you're seeing in PC. You can connect Wi-Fi, power on mode, like version. You will get details of cam, like SJ Legend, date you bought, and version. And if you just will see the specification of features, like I switched to video format. Okay, if you swipe screen, it will go back to the previous one. Video labs, two previous formats, and you can set the exposure time, whatever the blah blah you want. You can see the battery, what is the type, that video mode, WDR, mic on off, and for me it's budget one. Like if it's a multi-functioning video cam, like action cam that you are getting for only 10k. Like if you compare GoPro or any action camera, it's like if you want to buy GoPro, it's around like 30k 40k. For this SJ6 Legend is pretty good. Like you're having multi-function, multi-processing, or whatever the option they are give or specification give. It's worth for 10k. Like I'm using from 3 months. For me, no hanging, no video corruption or anything. If you for GoPro, like I'm not saying you will get a damage piece in GoPro, but usually people say GoPro will hang after some recording. I never saw. I put it in 3 minutes mode. After 3 minutes mode, it will start recording again. Like if you put for 10 minutes, that processing load will be high. So put it in low time slot, like 3 minutes or 5 minutes. It's fit in case nicely. You can open it, like push that side. Wait a sec. Push this side. Open. Just open. This way you can close or open the casing. These are the mounts, like you can place whatever the angle you want. I'm not going to say much about this mounts because you can see my previous videos, or you can go through any YouTuber or any site for SJCAM. These are the manual. If you have time or if you have doubt, you can go through it. This is USB.